Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Bapatla, but you can call me Bapu. Everyone does. I'm a little shy, haven't done this YouTube thing before. I'm a simple city from Andhra Pradesh. A little old-fashioned, but friendly. You know how it is, right? I wanted to tell you my story, show you my streets, and introduce you to my people. So come on, let's explore Bapatla together. Okay, finding me on a map isn't too hard, but it's not super easy either. Bapatla is one of those hidden gems that you might not immediately spot unless you know exactly where to look. Nestled in the southeastern part of India, it's a place that holds a unique charm and a rich history. So let's dive deeper and find out exactly where Bapatla is located and what makes it so special. I'm right on the coast of India. The town is blessed with a beautiful coastline that stretches along the Bay of Bengal. The coastal area is not just picturesque, but also plays a significant role in the local economy, with fishing being a major occupation for many residents. The serene beaches and the gentle waves make it a perfect spot for relaxation and unwinding. Imagine this, the Bay of Bengal, the sun setting over the water and me right there enjoying it all. The sunsets here are nothing short of magical, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink and purple. It's a sight that leaves you in awe every single time. Whether you're a local or a visitor, the beauty of a Bapatla sunset is something that stays with you forever. Now, if you're looking at a map, find Andhra Pradesh. This state is known for its rich cultural heritage, delicious cuisine and warm hospitality. Andhra Pradesh is a land of diverse landscapes, from lush green fields to bustling cities, and Bapatla is one of its many jewels. Yep, that's where I am. Bapatla is a small town with a big heart located in the Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh. It's a place where tradition meets modernity and where the past and present coexist harmoniously. The town is known for its educational institutions, agricultural research centers, and of course its friendly and welcoming people. About 30 kilometers from Guntur and a bit further from Vijayawada, about 45 kilometers, these nearby cities are well connected to Bapatla, making it easy for people to travel back and forth. Guntur is known for its chili market, one of the largest in Asia, while Vijayawada is a bustling city with a rich history and vibrant culture. Both cities offer a range of amenities and attractions, making them perfect day trip destinations from Bapatla. Getting to me is easy: buses, trains, everything. Bapatla is well connected by road and rail, making it accessible from various parts of the state and beyond. The railway station is a hub of activity, with trains arriving and departing regularly. Local buses are frequent and reliable, ensuring that you can get around the town and its surroundings with ease. We like being easy to reach, you know. Accessibility is one of the key features of Bapatla, and it's something that the locals take pride in. Whether you're coming from a nearby city or a distant town, you'll find that getting to Bapatla is a hassle-free experience. The town's infrastructure is designed to accommodate visitors and make their journey as smooth as possible. No one should feel left out. The people of Bapatla are known for their warmth and hospitality. They welcome everyone with open arms, making you feel at home from the moment you arrive. The sense of community here is strong, and it's something that visitors often remark upon. Whether you're here for a short visit or planning to stay longer, you'll find that the people of Bapatla are always ready to make you feel like part of the family. I don't like to brag, but I've been around for a long time, centuries really. Bapatla, a town steeped in history, has seen the rise and fall of many empires. From the ancient times to the modern era, this place has been a silent witness to countless stories and legends. Imagine walking through these streets, feeling the whispers of the past in every corner. It's like stepping into a time machine where every stone and every building has a tale to tell. A long time ago, the Kakatiyas knew me, and they left their mark with their magnificent sculptures and architecture. The Kakatiya dynasty, known for its artistic prowess, adorned Bapatla with intricate carvings and grand structures. These remnants of the past still stand tall, narrating the glory of an era that was rich in culture and heritage. Then came the Vijayanagara Empire, bringing with them their own unique style and grandeur. The monuments from this period are a testament to their architectural brilliance and their love for art. And as time went on, even the British left their colonial imprint on this town. The blend of different architectural styles makes Bapatla a fascinating place to explore. Everyone visited. My name? Some say it comes from Bapiraju, a local god, kind of a legend here. The temples dedicated to these deities are not just places of worship, but also repositories of stories and traditions passed down through generations. These sacred spaces hold the essence of Bapatla's spiritual and cultural identity. Others say it's from Bapa, a word for rulers, important people from way back. These rulers, with their vision and leadership, shaped the destiny of Bapatla. Statues and monuments erected in their honor remind us of their contributions and the legacy they left behind. Honestly, names aren't important. It's the stories, the history in these streets. Walking through the old streets of Bapatla is like flipping through the pages of a history book. Each street, each alley has witnessed events that have shaped the town's character and spirit. The echoes of the past resonate in the present, creating a unique blend of old and new. Every corner has a story to tell, a whisper from the past. These whispers are not just remnants of history, but living memories that continue to inspire and intrigue. Bapatla is not just a town, it's a living museum, a testament to the passage of time and the endurance of culture and tradition. So, next time you visit, take a moment to listen to these whispers and let them transport you to a bygone era. We have a lot of history, but we're not stuck in the past. Farming is important to us. Rice fields everywhere, tobacco, peanuts, we grow it all. But we're not just farmers, we have industries too, small but important. Textiles, construction, manufacturing, we do a little of everything. We believe in hard work. It's not always easy, but we manage with smiles and happy hearts. Chapter 4. Smart City, Smarter People. Education is important here. We're a small city, but we have big dreams. Bapatla Engineering College, that's our pride and joy. Smart students come from everywhere to learn. And then there's Bapatla Agricultural College because, well, you know how much we love our land. We need to teach the next generation of farmers, the ones who'll keep our traditions alive. Chapter 5. Temples or mosques, we're all friends. In India, we're all about unity and diversity, and Bapatla is the same. Hindus, Muslims, we live together, sharing meals, sharing stories, sharing life. Temples and mosques stand tall, showing our faith. Sri Narayana Swamy temple is beautiful. And during festivals, wow, the whole city celebrates. Sankranti, Ugadi, Diwali, every festival is a big party. Okay, maybe I'm a little biased, but the beaches near me, amazing. Manjinapudi Beach, Kavuru Beach, the sand, the waves, the birds. It's like paradise, but it's not just the beaches. We have fields that go on forever, villages where life is peaceful. It's the real Andhra Pradesh, simple and true. Getting around Bapatla is easy. Trains connect us to the rest of the country. Vijayawada, Guntur, Chennai. We have trains going everywhere. And if you don't like trains, no problem, we have buses too. State-run, private, all kinds. And if you want to fly, Vijayawada Airport is close by. Let's be honest, it gets hot here. Really hot. Summers are scorching, humid, you'll sweat a lot. But hey, that's what Lassie is for, right? Winters are mild, nice, perfect for a walk in the park. And then there's the monsoon season when it rains a lot and everything turns green. It's beautiful. So, that's me, Bapatla, a city with a lot of history nestled in the heart of Andhra Pradesh. From ancient temples to colonial architecture, every corner of this city tells a story. We celebrate our festivals with great enthusiasm, and our streets come alive with colors, music and dance. The local people are always ready to welcome you with open arms and warm smiles. I might not be the fanciest city, but I'm real, authentic and full of life. Our markets are bustling with activity, offering everything from fresh produce to handmade crafts. I'm genuine and I'm full of surprises. Hidden gems are scattered throughout the city, waiting to be discovered. Whether it's a quiet park, a quaint cafe, or a historic site, there's always something new to explore. If you're ever in Andhra Pradesh, come visit. We'll share some tea, a staple of our daily life. Our tea stalls are the perfect place to relax, chat, and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. We'll tell you stories of our past, our culture, and our dreams for the future. The people of Bapatla are known for their hospitality, and we take pride in making every visitor feel at home. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures with Bapu. There's so much more to see and experience, and we can't wait to share it all with you. So come say Susu. Let's make memories together in this beautiful city. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.